Now, this is the previous problem wherein it has been given that AB equals AC and these are perpendicular to the bases, that means they are the altitudes, and we were asked to prove these two lines to be equal. Here triangle ABC's isosceles was given and we were asked to show CF equals to BE. Now here CF equals to BE has been given in the problem itself, in which altitudes BE and CF are equal. This has been given in the problem, and now these are equal has been given in the problem. These are equal has been given. Now we are supposed to prove AB equals AC. AB equals AC, and we are required to prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. So this is exactly what, it's exactly the opposite. This problem is the opposite of question number 3, which we call it as the converse. In this problem, we have picked a triangle BFE, BFC, congruent CFB, BF triangle BEC, congruent triangle CFB. But here, since we are required to obtain AB and AC and also ABE congruent ACF, and these two are followed of each other, so we have to pick the other two triangles apart from these two triangles. We are picking here these two triangles to get to the proof, to get to the congruency and also the sides. Here we have sides and the angles equal, so we picked these two triangles comfortably, but now we do not have that facility here. We have to arrive at that, so we need to pick these two triangles in order to arrive at the proof. Now redrawing these two triangles out of this clumsy mess, ABE and ACF, as we see, these have a common angle A, and here we have angle E equals to F because altitudes form perpendicular to the base, and BE equals to CF has been given. Out of this we get congruency of A equals to A, common angle for both the triangles, angle E equals angle F, which is altitudes fall as perpendiculars making 90 degrees, and angle BE equals angle CF, segments. It has been given in the problem itself. Therefore, and since these three things, angle, side congruency has been achieved, therefore ABE congruent ACF by AAS congruency criterion, and the fallout of this is AB equals AC by CPCT, hence proved.